Hi, my name is Kristen Picard, and I am a mindfulness practitioner. The type of mindfulness that I practice is called Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction, or MBSR. It originated at the University of Massachusetts Medical School with the work of Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn. So I'd love to give an introduction based on Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn's definition of mindfulness. He describes mindfulness as paying attention in a particular way, and that particular way is on purpose, in the present moment, and without judgment. Mindfulness is particularly helpful during times like we're going through right now, these moments of uncertainty or instability, because it provides a source of grounding. One of the things that's highly studied in mindfulness research is related to the body's physiological response to stress and how mindfulness can help counter the stress response and elicit the relaxation response. So during a mindfulness practice, the body does some internal regulation, helping to counter that fight, flight, or freeze response that you may remember from Psychology 101 if you took that course at all in your lifetime. And it brings about what's known as the relaxation response, which helps to bring the body's physical state back to a sense of normalcy. So I'd love to practice some techniques with you when we meet together during the WiNCorps event in June. We'll be practicing some awareness of breath activities, mindful movement, and I hope to also give you some tips and tricks for integrating mindfulness into your day. It's helped me out a lot, and I hope to share what I've learned with you.